Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alaki, and if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Today's video is just a sewing home tour. Today's video is going to be a sewing home tour. So I'm just going to show you my sewing space, how I innovated it, and I'm just going to show you my sewing room once again. So I'm so excited, and I wish I have a camera. I don't have a camera, and right now I'm just speaking, so I don't know if you'll be listening to me, but I will see. If you will not be listening to me, I will have to do a voice over, and still a good thing. So let's vlog, guys. Let's just do the vlog of my sewing home. Welcome you all, guys. As you can see, this is where my sewing machine is. This is my sewing machine. I have the manual one, and this is where I sew clothes, and I'm about to repair it because you can see it is like, I'm going to clean everything inside. It is helping me to sew clothes, and I'm hoping even to use it more and more in the future, and I'm so excited, guys. So this is my sewing machine. Coming here, I have decorations. I bought this small flower in town, like 15k, like at 15, yes, 15k. So I bought this flower just for decorating my space, and whenever I take pictures of my products, so I make sure to include this. It gives good image and good quality. As just you can see that it's adding good quality to the video. So I'm putting this flower here because I'll be creating content on my business page. So I just want my videos to have good quality, and I'll be uploading videos on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube short, and long form videos. It's still my favorite for decorating my videos and pictures of my products. So guys, coming here, I have my ruler. So this is really essential because it will be helping me to know when cutting cloths. So it's really essential, and I put it very seriously. And I do have this one, so I'm still hesitating where to put this one. It is a motivation quote, so I just still hesitating where to put it. And right now, the place that I still find where to put it is here. This is the place I still have for now, and it is written, "Your dreams are valid." Let's read it again. Now read with me. Read with me. Your dreams are valid. This is a quote coming from the actress Lupita Nyong'o, where she won the Oscar. She says, "No matter where you are from, your dreams are valid." So people use just that short sentence, "Your dreams are valid." And you can see I actually downloaded the picture on Google. So I bought this one, and I told them I wanted this picture inside. So this is going to motivate me. As you can see, sometimes being a small YouTuber, being a small business owner, it's really challenging, guys. It is challenging, and sometimes you look forward, you don't know, you just feel like giving up. And when you go on social media, you find some motivational quotes, you feel like getting up. But every time I'll be staying here on my sewing machine, I'll be looking just here and just see the quote, "Your dreams are valid." I feel like staying like this and looking at this quote is going to motivate me each and every time to keep on going, to keep doing what I'm doing, and to keep advertising my business no matter what. Guys, so I'm really motivated this time, and I hope to make it in life. I refuse to go down. I refuse to go down. I will go up and up, forward and not backward, because I have big guys. And here I have my bottle of water, and as you can see, I just put it here like just for filming, because usually after finishing sewing, I'll be going home with my bottle of water, just so that I can come the next day with water inside. So You know, like when you are filming the whole day, you know, it can be festive. That's why this is so essential. I'm going to bring my water to drink for a day, and it's going to help me. But right now, I'm just putting here, but when I will go, I'll have to go with it. And this one right here is my self-made mannequin dress. I mean, there is a vlog on my YouTube channel where I actually vlog how I made this one. So if you can still watch it, I can, you know, you can just go on my videos. It is a long form video, and you are going to see the vlog of how I was making this one, and I actually vlogged it. So this is my self-made mannequin dress, and just in case for taking pictures, but I never really tried like putting a cloth here and just take a picture, never. But now I feel like I'm going to try, so I'm so excited to use it, and I hope it's going to be helpful. I do hope. So this one I had it because it was useful for taking also products. So I just put it here for for decoration. Sometimes when you're filming content, so that it can be a good quality, and this can create some kind of decorations, good vibes, inside. So I just put it here, and just to hope it will be helpful too. But if it's not going to be helpful, I will have to remove it. But right now, we just put it here. And I have this one. This is something I put for the background. I don't want the other one, so I want this one to be for my background videos, background pictures. I'm waiting to buy a new one, and fully in black. So while I'm waiting, I'll be using this. So it has been helpful a lot, this one. So coming here, we have this one, and as you can see, this is where I had to organize everything, and this is where I'll be putting my essential, my sewing supplies, everything. As you can see here, I have threads, and here I have some shorts. There I have some other, sewing supplies inside, like needle, other things like needle, matching needle, many things inside. So I want to put it in this pocket so that it can be safe. And this is also where I have some pins. Like you can see here, I have my, this is where I'll be putting, my measurement tape. Like in this one, I have my scissor. I had to bought it yesterday, so I'm so excited to start using it. It's still, it's still new. I'm so excited. Here I have my hole, my sewing machine hole. This is for sewing machine, and also it can be used for bicycles, like bicycle gears, many other things, but I do use for my sewing machine in case. And here guys, I have my, here guys, I have my other things to wear, like when I'll be coming here, and if I don't have good hair, and I know that I'll be filming, so for sometimes I may be forgetting the one I'll be wearing, so I'll be just reminding me I do have ones here, so I'll just be coming and just wear it. I had to make this one, and I had to make this also. If you want to watch how I made this, how I made my satin hair bonnet, you can watch. I do have vlogs, videos on my channel too. You can go and watch. You can see how I made this too. So not many other things. Like here, I have also this one. I'll be wearing it too. Sometimes it's a good one, Let me just try it so I can show you. This is also, it's going to be helpful for filming, and look how I'm trying everything. It's going to be helpful for filming. And here I have a scarf, so I don't want just to start using it. I have the scarf. I'll be like, you know, putting it on my head. And now you need it. So let's go on the other side. So guys, on the other side I have this one. So guys, on the other side I have this one. As you can see, this is also something that where I'll be putting clothes and take pictures. So you know guys, on the other side I have the chair where I actually sit while sewing. So as you can see, I'm sitting on something with pillow. This is the pillow. I sit on it so that I cannot be tired, especially my back. I got so tired when I don't have this, so I had to make this to ensure that guys, I had to make this to ensure that I'm not you can see this is a good one. So we come here on the other side, and this is the last one. On this one I don't have many things. This is actually my handbag where I go shopping things. I put all the things here, so there's not much things to show you, but let's wait for tomorrow. And this is my table where I'll be putting clothes and start cutting. So these are all the things, and here I have other things that where I'll be putting stuff, the remaining stuff. So this is the hand, and I don't really have many things. So guys, this is the end of my videos. This is the end of my videos. So thank you so much for watching. If you are new, do not hesitate to like this video, to share it with your friends, and to subscribe. And welcome to Alaki's World. I'm thinking of trying to change the name Alaki's World, like putting Alaki's Diary, like something like this. So I'm just thinking of changing the name, like instead of Alaki's World, I'll be putting Alaki's Diary. So this is going to be food, because the background is a diary of a fashion designer. Like, let me just change that background. So I'm still fitting. Maybe I will put your dreams are valid. Maybe something like this. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. So bye bye.